you know, when I first started, it was in a beauty school up in New York on 42nd Street. It's called Moeller Institute. It's not there anymore. We used to get people off the streets to come in to work on. And I think for maybe $1, she can get a haircut or color. And it used to be a lot of street women that came in off the streets to get their hair done. And we used to do them. And we had a lot of fun with them. And we used to try out all sorts of things on them. And one day a lady came in with long hair, and she wanted a haircut. And we were just learning how to use the razors. And I took out my razor and started to cut her hair. And I really couldn't control the razor, so I cut her hair quite a bit. And in those days, this new show with Mary Martin came into play. It was, you know, she was singing, "You have to cut that man right out of my hair." I think it was in South Pacific. That was it. And when I got through cutting her long hair, she had short hair. And I looked at it and I said, "Oh my God, what did I do to her?" And she looked in the mirror and I said, "You know something? You got the latest style today. You ever see Mary Martin in South Pacific with the short hair? So you're singing, you gotta cut that man right out of my hair?" And she said, "No, but I heard she had real short hair." I said, "Well, now you've got it." And she was happy. She walked out smiling.